Pick up your pencils, children. We will we underline the difficult words in this. Give me a minute, children. Just giving you the words. Have we done this, children? Okay. Difficult words, children. We are going to underline the difficult words. And some of you are not there. Why do they join so late? Why? No, okay. You are there. It's just that I can't see you. Okay. Okay. The first word is neighborhood. Since it's the name of the lesson, you will be able to find the word easily. Yes, someone wanted to ask me something. Someone wanted to ask me something. What happened? Did you check your WhatsApp beta? I sent it 5 minutes back. Which book? It not come? Okay, neighborhood. Have you all underlined neighborhood? Very good, Nishkat. That is how you should tell me. Right, I'm happy. Please switch off the mic. Please switch off the mic, Ayansh. Devansh, you are joining in the third period. That means you have missed out the first and the second period. Had you been coming to school, you would have not been allowed inside. Parents, please make sure that the child gets up in time to attend all the classes. Just because we are studying at home doesn't mean you can miss out some classes. Okay. Neighborhood underlined. Turn the page 18. Okay. Go to page 19. Move to page 19. The next word is useful. 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 Good, Akshat, very good. Hanifa, good. Ishan, we have you underlined, child. Good, Ekag, very good. Then, good, Shayan. The next word, school. Now, school, I am not going to tell you the spelling of school. You should know the spelling of school. So, look for the word school in this. On this, it's on the same page 19 only. Look for the word school and underline it. Someone's mic is switched on. please switch it off. If you want to ask me, raise your hand. If you want to tell me that you have finished, show me your thumbs up sign. Good. School all found, I think. Very good. Very good. I think everyone found the word school. So nice. Good children. The next word is study. Study spelling also you know because you learnt it in nursery and KG both. So look for the word study, underline it and give me a thumbs up sign. And give me a thumbs up sign. Once you find study, give me a thumbs up sign. Very good. Oh, very good. Everyone has found it. I'm so happy. Good, good. Very nice. Then the next word is park. We used to go to the park. अभी तो जाना मिल ही नहीं रहा है. The next word is park. We have a children's park in the school where we used to go in nursery and KG. No, KG you never went. Nursery when you were in nursery. Okay, Kag found it. Everyone found it. Very good. That's very nice. Good. Underlined it, right? The next word is hospital. HOSPIT. Very good, Ekagra. PITAL. Very good, very good. See, Myra is so happy. HOSPITAL. Very good. Then market. MARKET. Good. MARKET. 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 So everyone find it. Everyone is so happy. Everyone is smiling. So good children. See कि मम्मी पापा की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है पढ़ने के लिए. उनको उन क्लास में जब होते हैं then you don't need your parents to help you. You are intelligent children, all of you. Good children, intelligent. See, all of you are looking for the words yourself. All of you are able to underline it. सबको मिल जा रहे हैं words ना. मम्मी की ज़रूरत तो नहीं पड़ रही है, पापा की ज़रूरत तो नहीं पड़ रही कि पढ़ के बताएं. खुद को पढ़ना है ना. Very good children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good children. Then the next word is waste. WAST. For that, we have to go to page 20. WASTE. 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 Very good, very good. Smart children. Good children. Very good. Then the next word is throwing. The next word is throwing. It's on the same page, page 20. THROWING.
Before, ma'am, before that.
नहीं समझ में आया बेटा, फिर से पूछो.
Before wings.
Better I can't hear you. THROWING. THROWING. Then dirty. You all know the spelling of dirty. Look for the word yourself. On the same page, page 20, same page. Very good children.
We have
So you have all underlined the 10 words. Now please take out your register. Take out your register and your pencil You will write the lesson's name, our neighborhood, on a new page. You will write the date. Very good, Saida. You're taking it out yourself. I'm very happy. Good girl.
Ma'am,
See, this is how work should be done. See, Saida went and took out her register herself. Yes, someone is saying excuse me. Who's saying excuse me?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
First say excuse me and then tell me your name. Yes, who said excuse me just now?
Ma'am. इसमें फातिमा.
Yes, Tasmia. What do you want to know, beta?
मैम 18 को बोल रही है.
18 पेज पे बोल दे. 18 पे कोई वर्ड नहीं था. 17 के बाद 19 पे था. ओके. You did not have to underline any word on page 18.
17 में कौन सा?
20 में the words were throwing.
17.
Neighborhood.
17.
Neighborhood. Okay, Chick.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. The name of the chapter, our neighborhood, then today's date, and then each word 3 times. And while you are doing this, I'll be taking your attendance. Okay. So you will switch on your mic and give me your attendance. Devansh, are you there? I have yet to. Beta, why do I have to tell you after every 5 minutes to switch on your camera? Devansh, if you are in class, your camera should be switched on. Is Devansh in class? Is Devansh Lal in class?
Yes, miss.
Then why isn't your camera switched on? If your camera is not switched on, I think that you have joined the class and then you have gone off to sleep. So please switch it on. Yatharth, where are you? Before this period is over, I want this work to be sent to me, children. Because after this class is over, I will not accept any work. So write quickly, write neatly, and write the spelling correctly.
Can I send your personal?
Someone asked me something. Hussain, are you writing, child? You are moving about, beta, you are not writing. Where is Izan? Izan Siddiqui, where are you? He is not in this. Yes, there you are. Good boy. Very good boy. Yasir, where are you? Yasir Faisal, where are you? Yes, there you are. Good boy. Continue. Yatharth, you're writing very slow. Please write fast. Akshay, you haven't started writing as yet. Laiba, please switch on your camera. Your attendance for today, children. Adya Verma. Adya Verma, she was present. Achin. Adyan. Advait.
Present, ma'am.
Akshat. Akshat. Akshay Gupta. Akshay Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Arna Raj. Arsalan.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh, please make sure that you are present for the last class also. Okay?
Sorry, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Achint, you missed out your attendance, but I marked you present, don't worry. Ekagra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ekagra.
Present, ma'am.
Good. Fazilat. Yatharth, please write, child. You are not writing. Fazilat, where are you, child? Fazilat is present or absent? Fazilat is absent. Hanifa.
Present, ma'am.
बहुत लंबी प्रेजेंट हो गई हनीफा. हाशवी.
Present, ma'am.
हाविरा. ईशानवी.
Present, ma'am.
जेनिफर. लाइबा.
Present, ma'am.
लाविक. Lavik Agarwal. He was there for the yoga session, but he's not attending classes. Mahira. Mahira Fatma.
Present, ma'am.
Abdullah.
Present, ma'am.
Yasir Faisal. Yasir Faisal. I saw you just now, beta. Where are you? Arey Yasir, where are you? Yeah, there you are. Yes, say present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ismail. Izan Siddiqui.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, good. Very good. You are awake now. Myra Tandon. Myra Tandon.
Present, ma'am.
Nabia Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
Naima.
Present, ma'am.
Nishkat.
Present, ma'am.
Shayan.
Present, ma'am.
Suknoor. Suknoor, beta, you are there.
Present, ma'am.
Swastik. Tasmia.
Present, ma'am.
Veronica.
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi.
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan. Viraj.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Saida.
Present, ma'am.
Yatharth.
Present, ma'am.
Ayansh.
Present.
Hussain. Good boy.
Exam.
Okay. Quickly, children. Fazilat is absent. Havira absent. These are the ones who are regular, so that's why I'm confirming.
Ma'am, yesterday and
What happened?
ma'am, yesterday I'm not doing.
Yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, children, what happened was that the meeting was already full by the time we all joined. So, जो first meeting थी, even I could not join it because I think only 100 people can join in on
I
Google Meet.
missed it.
Yes. Yes, Akshay. Yes, Akshay. You were there yesterday. I saw you, Akshay. I saw you doing the yoga. Right.
Ma'am, I drinking the water. I missed it, ma'am.
Yes, drink water. Drink water if you want to, child. No problem. Yes, Nishkat, you're writing nicely. Is anyone's.
मैंने टू से तो 10 तक लिख दिया फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होगा फर्स्ट वन
किसका बेटा फर्स्ट वर्ड?
डिफिकल्ट वर्ड
The first word is neighborhood, beta. In this lesson, the first word is neighborhood.
ओके मैम
Someone else's mic is open. I can't hear you. Oh,
मैम सेंड करना है
what happened, beta?
मैम स्लाइड को सेंड करना है
बेटा माइक की तरफ देख के पास आके बोलो ताकि मैं साफ सुन पाऊँ. मेरी तरफ देख.
मैम
हाँ.
सेंड
Yes, yes, you have to send it. The minute you finish it, you have to send it to me, beta. The minute you finish this work, you send it to me.
क्या कुछ नहीं सब में लगा ही छोटा नहीं कुछ
मम्मा
हाँ
वो वेस्ट कहाँ लिखा है
Adya, child, switch off your mic, beta. Saida, feeling sleepy, feeling lazy. Write fast. Yatharth, I'm waiting for your work, child. Oh, Saida, good girl. Very good girl. But child, neighborhood ki spelling only twice you've written, you have to write it 3 times. That is the most difficult word. Throwing only 2 times you've written, child. If it is not fitting in one line, you can go on to the next line. Okay? And Saida, you have to learn to write in cursive, beta. Yasir, each word 3 times. You have written it only 1 time. Come on, quickly. Write each word 3 times. Neighborhood की spelling ठीक से याद करो. Learn it properly, Yasir. Sukhnur. Throwing. The spelling of throwing is wrong, Sukhnur. Spelling of throwing, beta, please check. Uh, Ayansh, when you are going to the next line, like your neighborhood and throwing did not fit in one line, so always leave a line, beta, so that your work is clear. Nice, good work, child. Now, who's Namita Verma? Oh, who's Namita Verma? Ayansh. Ayansh, that's your ID, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayansh, better write when you're writing, going on to the next line, you can leave one line in between. Tasmia, you have to write the heading, then you have to write today's date. You have left out waste. No, waste is there. Okay. Nishkar, each spelling is to be written 3 times. You have written it only 2 times, beta.
USFUL
Full.
फुल क्या है?
यूजफुल,
फुल
जो आपके काम आए.
यूजफुल क्या होता
यूज
है?
का मतलब होता है काम आने वाली चीज. ठीक है. Very good, Shayan. I like this. When children are not able to understand something, they can ask me. That's very good. Shanvi, what happened? Saida, please come back, child. Achin's mother is not supposed to be erasing the work for him. He has to do it on his own. Achin, मम्मी से काम नहीं करवाते हैं. Ishanvi beta, write the name of the chapter, write today's date. Dirty you have written only once, 3 times लिखना है. Tasmia, you have missed out 2 words. I forgot to tell you that. Good work, Hanifa. Hanifa, did you miss this one? Mahira, have you missed out some words? 2 words you missed out, it seems. Abdullah, each word to be written 3 times, child. Each word to be written 3 times.
Okay, ma'am.
See, children, I am posting Hanifa's work. This is how the work should be done. See how neatly and systematically she has done the work. You have to do it like this. Okay, children, quickly take a break of 10 minutes and then we meet